Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 is making weird noises and losing suction, you're not alone. This often happens due to a failing motor, which can lead to a complete loss of functionality if not addressed promptly. Ignoring these signs may result in more severe damage, ultimately costing you more time and money. For this repair, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, including both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, a pair of pliers, and a replacement motor specific to the Dyson SV12. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged. Begin by carefully opening the casing. Locate the screws, typically found at the base and sides of the machine. Remove these screws using the appropriate screwdriver, taking care to keep them in a safe place. Gently lift the casing away, ensuring not to force it, as this could damage the delicate components inside. Once open, locate the motor. It may be secured with additional screws or clips. Identify these and remove them, being cautious around any wires connected to the motor. Disconnect any cables gently by pulling on the connectors rather than the wires themselves, as this can cause damage. After removing the old motor, take your new motor and position it in place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring it is tightly fitted but do not over-tighten, as this could strip the screws. Reconnect the cables, making sure they fit snugly into their respective ports. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is secured, carefully replace the casing, ensuring that all clips are aligned properly. Reinsert and tighten the screws to secure the casing. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV12 and turn it on to check for any unusual noises and to ensure it is functioning correctly. If everything sounds normal and suction is restored, you've successfully replaced the motor. To avoid this issue in the future, regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose. Also, ensure that the vacuum is not being overworked by using it on suitable surfaces only. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.